Honourable Speaker, I rise to ask question 15/2017 under my name, addressed to the Minister for Education. The Ministry's allocation for the year 2016 and 2017 estimates total a sum of 3.716 million for Cyclone Rehabilitation under Program 2, Activity 3, Sec 10, and Head 21, Program 3, Activity 1, Sec 10. And the question is, Honourable Speaker, can the Minister advise his House on the progress and implementation of this rehabilitation program? Thank you.
I give the floor to the Honourable Minister for Education, Heritage and Arts.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, there are two parts to the question. Let me answer the second part. The second part, which is on Head 21, Program 3, Activity 1, Sec 10, deals with Nailo Infant School. Madam Speaker, contract was given to Pacific Construction Works and Building Design Limited in 2015 to undertake the construction of the infant school. Unfortunately, the company director passed away in 2015 and could not complete the project. Now, in such circumstances, Madam Speaker, when the company is taken over by another person, then the company normally, the other person normally takes over assets and liabilities. But the other person, the new company director, didn't want to honor that particular contract. So the matter went to FICA. It's under investigation. At the moment, the Ministry, together with the Ministry of Infrastructure and Transportation, has done a rescope of the current project. Tender documents is being prepared and is due to be advertised soon. So we anticipate that we probably would be able to get this project off the ground in a month's time. Madam Speaker, the first part of the question deals with Head 21, Program 2, Activity 3, Sec 10. It deals with rehabilitation of schools affected by Cyclone Winston for damage amount less than $50,000. These related to secondary schools, ECEs, as well as primary school. This question deals with primary schools which were supposed to sustain damage less than $50,000. Madam Speaker, we noted that there were 95 primary schools which sustained damages at that point in time less than $50,000. Out of that 95 primary schools, 31 of them were below 10,000, below 20,000. So we decided that the Ministry, we will look after those schools and ensure that they are completed by end of last year. Madam Speaker, I'll give details on those 31 in a second. Out of the remaining 64, we noted that 8 of them were above $50,000 when the engineers went and did the scoping. These 8 are Ahmadiyya Primary School, Nandrao District Primary School, Rakiraki District Primary School, Rakiraki Muslim Primary School, Nawangavesi Primary School, Waimbongi Waindrio Primary School, Viria District School, Naivudula District School, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, this then had to be referred to the Construction Implementation Unit. Madam Speaker, where are we in respect to the progress? The scoping work has been done by Ministry of Infrastructure and Transportation engineers. Architectural designs have been done. It is now at the tender stage to seek potential contractors. So these are 8 schools, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, the remaining schools, 35 schools, 56 schools, the Ministry of Education, Heritage and Arts did the scoping work with the Ministry of Infrastructure and Trade Engineers, and these are now, the memorandum of agreement has been done with the schools. Technical specifications have been given to the schools. Application to repair forms have been given to the schools from the Rural Local Authority. Now the paperwork is with the Ministry of Finance to make a direct deposit to the bank account of these schools. Madam Speaker, let me give the names of these schools where the direct deposit will be made, where the schools will be making construction as per the specification, as per the design that we have done. These are Ratu Nalewawanda Public School, Namaka Public School, Watwalewu Public School, Nandi District School, Tongo Primary School, Masimasi Primary School, Sambeto Muslim Primary School, Lololo Primary School, Vesesi Primary School, Desbandu Vitongo School, Breketi Sangam School, Wesley Methodist School, Galitu Primary School, Mangondo District School, Tubu Primary School, Warambithia Muslim School, Latoka Under Sangam School, Baturu District School, Murumuru Muslim Primary School, Namara Village School, Lutu District School, Naseva Village School, Ramakrishna Mission School, Wandilite District School, Nairukuruku District School, Munindawa District School, Naila Bokala Primary School, Naibudini District School, Nandukuni District School, Vanuakula Catholic School, Nasori Village School, Nakurukuru Wakatini Primary School, Wailevu West District School, Watuvula Primary School, St. Paul's Primary School, Kamendra Primary School, Bonidau Primary School. Madam Speaker, so for these schools, the MOE is done, the specifications have been given to the school, structural designs have been, architectural designs have been done. We are now, have submitted papers for direct deposit in the schools. We're looking at 2 weeks for this direct deposit to be made to the school to get contractors to undertake these constructions. Madam Speaker, the other category of 31 schools that we have completed using funds from the ministry as well as seeking support from NGOs. These schools that are completed, 31 schools, Vianney Primary Schools, Vianney Primary School, Watubula Primary School, Nusawa Primary School, Kemendra Central Primary School, Wanidau Primary School, Holy Cross Primary School, Batirilangi District School, St. Paul's Primary School, the Sabasabu Public School, the Sabasabu Special School, Bunuku Village School, Waitonga Village School, Wakaya Island Primary School, Nukuloa Village School, Nabukulangi District School, Devetarua Primary School, Nanuku Sangam School, Nokonoko District School, Mabua District School, Pa Special School for Special Education, Tangtangi Sangam School, DAV Primary School, Karavi Public School, Tabua Primary School, Naloto District School, Nalotawa District School, Warabu Muslim Primary School, Bulolo Sanatandaram School, Naruku Primary School, Raravai Muslim School, Udini Vanua District School. Madam Speaker, these 31 schools, we have completed construction, classes are is normal. Thank you.
Thank you, and I invite questions from the floor. Honorable Mahendra Reddy.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. I'd like to thank the Minister for his response. I know from his response that he has mentioned something about special schools being rehabilitated, and hope there are provisions. But I ask the Minister if there are provisions for these special schools in terms of their rehabilitation because of the nature of the disabilities. Are there provisions made in terms of building the schools to accommodate the disabilities in these schools? Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Honourable Minister.
Yes, Madam Speaker, the special schools that we have are designed for children with special disability. Thank you.
Honourable Nawaikula.
Away from Rakiraki to Nosori, Rakiraki High School, no roof, 10. St. Francis Primary School, same situation. Rang High School, same situation. Tombu Primary School, no roof. And I know it was stated here, as well as elsewhere, that all this will be ready before the school term starts. And also, we are 3 months away from the end of the year, with all this allocation, with all this delay, with all this failure. Can the Minister please apologize to the parents for the rain, for the tent, and for the sun?
Yeah, apologize.
Thank Thank you. This session really is a question, is not an apologize question.
That's my question. Can you please apologize?
I'm afraid what transpires within Parliament has to be responded to in Parliament, and we're not responding to people outside of Parliament.
Madam Speaker, they don't have any questions. I lost for any questions.
There being no other question,
Thank you.